Detailed explanations of keto metabolism, intermittent fasting, and fat-burning science. In the modern world of health and fitness, few topics generate as much curiosity as the ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting, and the science of fat burning. These approaches have gained massive popularity not just for their weight loss benefits but also for their ability to improve metabolic health and mental clarity. To understand how they work, it's essential to dive deeper into the body's metabolism, the role of ketones, and the biological processes that turn fat into energy. Understanding metabolism and energy sources. At the core of human metabolism lies one simple truth: your body needs energy to function. This energy primarily comes from three macronutrients: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Under normal circumstances, the body prefers carbohydrates as its main energy source because they can be quickly converted into glucose, which fuels cells and organs, especially the brain. When glucose is abundant, insulin levels rise to help transport it into cells, while excess glucose gets stored as glycogen or fat. However, when carbohydrate intake is reduced, the body shifts gears and begins to rely more heavily on fat for fuel. This is where ketosis and fat metabolism come into play, both central to the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. The science behind keto metabolism. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat, and moderate protein eating plan that pushes the body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, the liver breaks down fats into molecules known as ketone bodies, primarily beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, acetoacetate, and acetone. These ketones serve as an alternative energy source when glucose is scarce. Once ketones become the body's main fuel, insulin levels drop, and fat burning accelerates. This process not only helps with weight loss but also enhances energy efficiency. Many people report feeling more mentally alert and less fatigued because ketones provide a more stable energy supply to the brain compared to fluctuating glucose levels. Interestingly, the ketogenic state mimics some aspects of fasting: reduced insulin, elevated fat oxidation, and improved mitochondrial function. This overlap explains why combining keto with intermittent fasting can amplify fat-burning results and metabolic health benefits. Intermittent fasting and metabolic adaptation. Intermittent fasting, isn't about what you eat but when you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with popular methods including the 16-8, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating, or 5-2, normal eating 5 days a week and calorie restriction on 2. During fasting, insulin levels drop significantly, which signals the body to switch from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy. When fasting lasts beyond 10 to 12 hours, glycogen stores deplete, forcing the body to convert fat into fatty acids and ketones. Essentially, it promotes many of the same metabolic pathways as keto: enhanced fat burning, autophagy, cellular repair, and reduced inflammation. The longer fasting window also gives the digestive system a break, which can improve gut health and insulin sensitivity over time. One of the fascinating effects of intermittent fasting is metabolic flexibility, the ability to efficiently switch between burning carbohydrates and fats as energy sources. People who practice fasting regularly tend to have better control over hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, leading to fewer cravings and better appetite regulation. The biochemistry of fat burning. Fat burning, or lipolysis, occurs when the body breaks down stored triglycerides into glycerol and free fatty acids. These fatty acids then enter the mitochondria, the power plants, of cells, where they undergo beta oxidation to produce ATP, the body's main energy currency. For fat burning to occur efficiently, insulin levels must remain low. Elevated insulin suppresses lipolysis because the body prioritizes glucose metabolism. This is why high-carbohydrate diets, especially those rich in sugars and processed foods, make it difficult to tap into fat stores. Both keto and intermittent fasting lower insulin, creating a hormonal environment conducive to fat loss. Moreover, in ketosis, the liver converts excess fatty acids into ketone bodies, which not only power the brain but also help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Ketones are considered a clean fuel because they produce fewer reactive oxygen species than glucose metabolism. Hormonal influence on fat metabolism. Hormones play a critical role in fat metabolism. Insulin, cortisol, glucagon, and growth hormone all affect how efficiently the body burns fat. Low insulin encourages fat breakdown, while glucagon, released during fasting, promotes the release of stored energy. Cortisol, known as the stress hormone, can either support or hinder fat burning depending on the balance. High chronic cortisol may lead to fat storage, especially around the abdomen, while moderate levels during fasting or exercise promote lipolysis. Additionally, intermittent fasting and keto both tend to elevate growth hormone levels, which enhance muscle preservation and fat utilization. This hormonal synergy is one reason why many people experience significant body recomposition, losing fat while maintaining or even gaining lean muscle mass. Combining keto and intermittent fasting. While keto and intermittent fasting can work independently, combining them often yields remarkable results. Starting a ketogenic diet makes fasting easier because ketones suppress appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels. Meanwhile, fasting accelerates the process of entering ketosis by rapidly depleting glycogen stores.
Enjoying this video? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're first to see our new keto videos. Don't forget to grab your free Keto Beginner's Guide in the description below. And follow Crazy About Keto on social media through the links if you'd like even more daily tips. And if you'd love to create videos just like this one, check out the Fiverr affiliate links below in the description. You can get YouTube videos made for as low as $10. Don't wait. Start today.
Together, they create a metabolic, fat-burning furnace that promotes sustained energy, improved focus, and efficient weight management. However, this combination is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Beginners should transition gradually to avoid the keto flu, temporary symptoms like fatigue and headaches due to electrolyte imbalance. Staying hydrated, consuming sufficient electrolytes, and easing into fasting windows help the body adapt smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of keto metabolism, intermittent fasting, and fat-burning science helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and fitness insights. We upload a brand new video every Friday, so stay tuned for more keto knowledge and wellness tips each week. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or your own experience with keto or fasting. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.